Okay, so what are the numbers like today? How are we doing?
98 kids.
98? So this session's going to be a little more, isn't it?
Yeah. I think there's almost 40 in the last one. There's almost 60 in this one. So
wow.
There might have been some.
Can we see the shirts?
Yeah.
Nice. All right.
Put name, grade, and weight so we can pair them up.
Did they get a double X one and you can put my name and weight on it and my grade? I was kidding.
Oh, in a special box.
I was kidding.
In a special.
That's XL. That's not going to work.
Hold on. Yeah, I don't know.
Yep, see? Told you.
Yeah.
Josh doesn't care about me. Okay. So, Coach Kolat.
I didn't get one.
Okay. Well, you can shrink that XL. What did you think of the first session, Coach Kolat?
Freaking unbelievable, right?
Yeah.
Just seeing him, how he instructs the kid, interacts with the kids, and not to mention how, he doesn't last a step, right?
No.
Pretty dang
no,
quick,
that's
right?
amazing, right? Right, and then we're hooked right now. This is the factory.
The kids didn't realize what they...
No, I don't think some of the parents know who he is either.
No, they didn't.
Yeah. And then you got your partner in crime, Jude, getting the job done. Hey, I'm going to go do some sights and sounds here, right?
Do it.
So this is actually Defense Soap's factory. I've shot this before. This is where all the work gets done. And the Seiko kids get to play. So here we go. And this is the loading dock. Here's the boss. Guy. And getting the job done here. We'll follow the boss in. Heading in, there it is. Kolat's in here.
Hey guys. What was the number?
Excuse me. And looks like some football, dodgeball, something.
Here, bro.
They're getting the job done. What do you think so far? What do you think so far?
Fabulous.
You having fun yet?
Yeah, man. Can't wait.
Let's
for
call
the
that.
next one.
He's got some energy, doesn't he?
Yeah,
He still move, can he?
and he's like
Yeah, he's
all
sweating,
over
man.
the place. What's up?
Getting the job done. Here we go. There it is.
Yeah, man.
Getting ready to go here.
It's really good.
It's Kolat. Getting the job done.
Yeah.